Law practice is not like buying and selling of garri or groundnuts in the market. Someone should tell Randy Peter and Mama P. Following this Barrister Marshall's withdrawal of Justice Crack's bail application over there at Federal High Court Abuja, I have seen a lot of dissenting criticism from Nigerians, those that do not even understand how law practice works. For one to become a lawyer, he must have been trained, and the training includes observing rules of professional conduct. That is why lawyers have a rule called rules of professional conduct, and we are taught in law school of ethical behavior. What does the rules of professional conduct suggest in circumstances of this nature? I will not want to, I will refer us to the rules of professional conduct. This is rules of professional conduct, and what does it say? Rules 27 of this rule, sub 1 and 4, I will reference it. Says rule 27 sub 1 says, a lawyer shall observe good faith and fairness in dealing with other lawyers. I want you to underline that. He shall observe good faith and fairness in dealing with other lawyers. Now 4 says, where a lawyer is aware or ought reasonably to be aware that the person is already represented by another lawyer in a particular matter, he shall not have any dealing with the person in respect of the same matter without giving prior notice to the other lawyer. Now, before I go further again, the rules of court, Federal High Court Civil Procedure Rules, Federal High Court rules provides that where there is need for change of counsel, the new lawyer shall file a notice of change of counsel. The lawyer who confronted Marshall, or who had issue with Marshall regarding representation of the counsel, at first I recommend that he should be recommended to Legal Practitioners Disciplinary Committee for disciplinary action for failing to follow the rules of professional conduct. What he ought to have done, being fully aware that Marshall has been fighting for the release of Justice Crack, he ought to have either find a way, calling Marshall, invite Marshall, going to meet Marshall, and inform him that he is a new counsel. He has now been briefed to take over this matter. I think doing that, the shenanigans we saw today in court would have not set in. But because of reasons unknown to me, the lawyer who came into the matter decided to be arrogant. Let me put it that way. Assuming the lawyer is a senior lawyer, assuming he seniors Marshall, it is inconsequential, because the rules of professional conduct does not say whether you are senior you can take over at will. It provides that there's a procedure to follow. So when I hear Randy Peter and Mama P said in their respective interviews they granted that Barrister Marshall truncated the bail application of Justice Crack, it just exposes the level of their ignorancy. And by this, I recommend that some Nigerians should, exercise restraint in the manner they jump into conclusion on certain things. If I were to be in Marshall's shoe, I will not just withdraw the application. I will withdraw the application and tear it before the court and throw it on the new lawyer. Let heaven fall. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria.